Are you waiting on what feels like an eternity for your Cognizant onboarding to begin? Let's dive into the potential reasons behind those frustrating delays. First, we need to understand onboarding delays at Cognizant or any large organization can be a complex situation, but it usually follows these steps. One common culprit, it's simply a matter of volume. Cognizant hires a lot of people, and a high number of new hires could overload the onboarding process. This can lead to a backlog, which would delay the process for everyone. Another issue might be verification delays. Background checks, education verifications, and other pre-employment assessments can take time. If there are any discrepancies or delays, you end up waiting. Project requirements are another factor. Sometimes the specific project you're assigned to might not be ready for your arrival yet, or there may be delays in project kickoff from the client side. In these scenarios, Cognizant might have to postpone the onboarding. Internal administrative procedures should also be checked. These procedures can have a very high impact in the onboarding timeline. Different teams may have different onboarding needs. So, what should you do? Your best course of action is to contact your recruiter directly. It will have the most up-to-date information on your specific situation. Ask specific questions and keep the communication open. Also keep an eye on your registered email and notifications. Remember, onboarding delays are often a sign of careful planning and not to be concerned, and you should check the latest updates from your recruiter. We hope now you feel more informed.